Hi guys, we will understand DAX, DAX by the blank workbook like this. So we start with the Power BI workbook like this, and then you don't have any table in here. So you also don't have to import anything. Let me show you how to understand DAX without any table. Actually, without any prepared table. Okay, so go to the modeling and then new table, and then we will start the new table T1, T1 values. Equal to generate series 1 and then 12, and then I will expand this one to a big view for you to see the expression. Okay, so this one is the same as Excel, and it will make a table in here called the T1 values, and then it has only one column inside, which is the value column. Okay, so in order to see what's going on in the table, you can just draw the a table in here, and then you put the value inside. This one is because it sum all the values together. So if you don't want to sum them all together, then you choose don't sum, and then it will go 12. Okay. And if you change the expression, then the underlying table also change, and then this table also change. Okay, let's change to 24, and then you can see this one has 24 values. Okay, so that's the first thing, and then this is also the first expression you need to learn about DAX, which is quite similar to Excel, by the way. And then if you switch this one to the table view mode, and then you can see the expression and uh, the values of the table also. Okay, so let me add one more column on top of this column, and then show you how the DAX work. Okay, so I will add a column called time YMD, which is year month date, and then I just put the random value in here, which is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you can see you don't have to drag down like Excel. So in Excel, you write the expression in the first cell here, and then you drag it down to all the way to the end. But then in DAX Power BI, you don't have to do that. You write the expression for the whole table, and then it will drag down for you. Okay, so now I want this number one to be April, and then May, and then June and July. Then I will need to add. I will need to edit the date, which is I will choose 2023 April 17, and then I will add the value here, and then yeah, so you can see here 5, 6, 7, and 8. If you minus this one, then you can see it start in April, and then so the first month will be in April, the second month will be May, and then all the way to 24 will be March of the next year. So this one is very elastic in the sense that if you want to expand it to 36 months, then this one expand to 36, and also the other one come from April 23 until March 26, which is also 36 months. Okay, so that's how it works. I will nest this table one more time to make sure that we have more column on top. Okay, so in this case, I will add the time FY, which is the format, of the date on the F and on the Y, and then the year here. Okay, and then done. Okay, so you can see here FY23 start in April 23 uh, until here, which is the December 23, right? And then start in January for 24 and onward. Now, if you want to start in April until March next year, which is this one, FY23, then you need to minus this one 3 by 3. So edit minus 3 and then done. So you can see here the starting of the period, which is April, and then until here, which is the last one is here, which is the March 24, and then the accounting period of the next year will start in April 24 as well. In here also, 25 also start in April 25. Okay, so that's how it works in this case. And then I will add the same thing with uh, YMBY. So YMBY is the robust format for Excel and then Power BI to work with. And then I want to introduce this first in this video. And then so this is how I add a new column in here. So you have two things. The first thing is the sorting order. So in this sorting order, you can just add the year and the month. And then this one is the accounting period, the friendly one with the these three characters for the month, and then the last two digits for the year. And then this is what you have. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And the last one I need to add is just a value, which is 123, for example. Then it was all the way 123 all the way. But if you want to add some random uh, numbers, you can just multiply. So in here you can actually see the difference in each month over the year already. Okay, so that's how you build a table from almost nothing. So it's just one DAX expression only, but then you can build the table. And then going back to here, you can see more things going on already. So you can add the value. Actually, I don't want this value anymore. So maybe I will change the column a little bit. And you can see here, I have more things. FY. So I have a lot of more things to show in this table already. So maybe I will get rid of the original value in front here because we have the sum of values. So if you want to change this one into chart, you just duplicate Control C and then Control V. So they will be the same guys, and you change to the chart here. So you have the bar chart. Let me change the FY into here and then some value in here. So you can see the sort by FY and then sort ascending. So you have 23, 24, and 25 in the same chart like this. And then if you break it down to a monthly, you can do it as well. So change the time in here and then legend into FY so you can see each year you have the different color. This one I will sort again the time here, and then I sort by ascending order. Okay, so actually I sorted one by ascending order already, so it's fine. So you can see here, it looks very unreal, right? Because it's like a lot of ups and downs in every month of the year. So if you in simulation or if in general, if you want to stabilize the number, you normally you will do this 1 plus 0.2, for example, and then that's it. So it will give you more regularity because the random function is just like between 0 and then 123. But then in this case, you just make it a little bit um, more regular. So if you change this one to 0.5, then the up and down will appear like at the half of the bars. So you can see here a lot of up and down. So 0.8 is even more dramatic, but then if you change back to 0.2 or 0.3, it looks more regular to me. So so this is kind of like the real world situation or job simulation is quite real. Okay, so I think for this video, hopefully after this video, you know how to write a dash expression by the base table, and then you add more column and add more column, more and more.